Trying to date a nerd? While the term nerd no longer carries its old stigma, thanks to gaming, sci-fi, and tech going mainstream, approaching your nerdy crush can still feel intimidating. First, nerds aren't an alien species, though they might believe in them. Start by doing a little recon without going full stalker mode. Ask mutual friends what they're into. Then break the ice with a low-pressure compliment like, "Hey, cool t-shirt." Skip the fancy candlelit dinner for now and try low-key activities like hanging out at a park playing Pokemon Go or chilling at a coffee shop. Reveal your own quirks and hobbies too, whether you draw manga or collect vintage lunchboxes, because vulnerability is key. Ask open-ended questions, listen actively, and drop a genuine compliment about their depth of knowledge. When the vibes are right, just be direct and ask them out. If they say yes, break out the comic book expo date. And if it's a no, keep it cool, respect their decision, and stay awesome friends.